If you're sure that your Joy-Cons are suffering from drift, then it's time to repair it. But before we dive into the deep end, head to the system settings, select controllers and sensors, then calibrate control sticks. This takes you to a series of simple tests which can be a little sticky if your Joy-Con isn't cooperating. And if it's not, then continue watching this video.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
With a tri-wing screwdriver, undo the 4 screws located at the back of your Joy-Con. You then want to use your pry tool to carefully open up the Joy-Con, but be careful because there's 2 flex ribbon cables inside that are connected and you don't want to damage them. Once opened, use your pry tool to lift up the battery. Now, there's a little bit of stickiness on the other side of the battery that's there to hold it in place. Once removed, you'll find a further 3 screws that you need to tackle. This can be done with a Phillips head, and even though you can see 5 screws in total, you can ignore the other 2. You can now carefully remove your battery holder. Let's zoom in. This next part, I wouldn't advise you to use gloves because it can be tricky, and it would also help if you've got a pry tool. Now, as I've done this previously, I found it quite straightforward. Lift the small switches that secure the 2 ribbon cables leading to the Joy-Con's rail. The reason as to why I removed these is because I want more space to work on the joystick. Technically, you don't have to remove them. Then you want to lift the switches that's securing the ribbon on the far left and the blue ribbon that's securing the joystick. You then remove the 2 J00 type screws. Now, instead of removing this particular ribbon, I could have undone the J00 type screw at the top, but I like to make things difficult for myself. You can now remove your analog joystick and replace it with a new one. Now, let's put everything back together. Job done. If you like this video and you're benefiting from the tips that we're sharing, please give it a thumbs up.